Hi everyone, today for the pattern I will do a protection cover for surgical mask. First I will cut my fabric with 20.5 centimeter by 36 centimeter. I use some cotton and I will draw around the pattern. And 20.5 centimeter the other side. I will cut that. Always nice to have some sharp scissors on fabric. I did a lot of those for my colleague at work to protect them and protect myself too with our surgical mask. It helped to keep them longer on us and safer too because of the COVID-19. So I iron my fabric and I will fold it this side. Folding it. This. And I will fold it another time like I did with the paper. Fold it there. It would help to divide your mask to be equal. There. With my rule, I will measure 3.5 centimeter from the folding side to the middle, and I will do the same thing the other side. Start by the 3.5. You start the sides fold and you go to the middle. So I mark that because I'm gonna go on my sewing machine now and I will sew it. I was sewing back and forth. I don't know what I write there, but it's not what I was trying to. Sorry. So I go with my sewing machine, just go reverse and come back. I do that twice and I go the other side doing the same thing. Cut that over there. Come back to the sewing machine. Make sure I forgot to put the marker there. Okay, 3.5. And go back and forth. Move it. And going back to the iron station. I did some sewing there. And now I will open it and I will put it flat with my finger like this. There. With my little iron, I will flat that fabric and doing the same thing on the other side. Open it, put it flat there. That's why I sewed the 4 little part. It's because it's easier that way to just flat your fabric later like this. This is my little girl iron, but it worked well, and it's a real one too. She got that as a gift. I don't know where it's come from, but worked well. Just make sure everything is flat, and I'm going to go back on the sewing machine. I will sew that and the other side. Fold it. Folding it because it's going to be open this side again. So you just fold the edge. And I do the same thing to the other side. I like to make those covers because they're not hard to make, and you don't need any elastic, especially in this time because you have your surgical mask. So this part is done. See, it's gonna look like this. It's what we want. So we put on the wrong side, and we will sew the other side like this. Make sure you don't close the two hands. Yeah. This almost finished. If you want, you could re-sew it with the zigzag stitch, but me, for the video, I choose not to, so I just put that on the right side, and I will go ironing this again just to make sure it's very flat. And remember to always wash your mask with warm water, and hot is preference to do, and you just wear them once and you put that in the laundry. Keep you safe. There. So now it's time to put your surgical mask in it. Push it there. Always wash your hands first, and voila, your cover is done. Hope you enjoyed the little video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe.